Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sav. This is the Matchy Life YouTube channel. We are on Vlogmas day 3. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's day 3 already. I'm just having my breakfast this morning because I am in after spending the whole entire weekend here, of course. I accidentally left my camera with the photos for the Fruity Days launch on it at the warehouse, so I couldn't edit it and put it online for this morning, so I'm just doing it now. If this is the first time you are seeing one of my videos, my name is Sav and I run a small business called Matchy, and I manufacture all of the quilted bags myself. No, I'm not kidding. I literally make everything, but the bookmarks and the stickers. We get someone else to make those. I'm currently on day 3 of daily vlogging for Vlogmas, and if you guys thought you saw the behind the scenes of my business before, you are in for a treat. I'm currently sitting at my computer gathering images we took yesterday for my new products, but then this happened.
Hello.
Hey. I'm just looking at the photos on the SD card and there's like no photos. There's only 19. There's no strawberry bookmark photos. Like there's missing a whole bunch.
Is there another card in the other card slot or something?
No.
There'll be go back one folder and there'll be another folder.
Got them. Thank you.
Cool. No worries. Bye.
Bye. Crisis averted. Okay, now that that's all sorted, let's roll the intro. Evie, what are you doing? My biggest pet peeve is having oily hair, and as a thin-haired girly, I always have oily hair, so I literally keep this in the studio because in the mirror, my hair doesn't look that oily, but I just started filming for Instagram and it looks so oily. My hair, by the way, is like my biggest insecurity. Hopefully that does something. I've got these like cute little clips that I thought would be enough to distract, but it's clearly not. Alright, I really have to get onto the work for the day. Next on the agenda is I have to remake this because I made this and then I was like picking a thread and a thread came off the actual material and it left a line in the material. So that happens because like when the manufacturer prints, they've obviously printed over it. So I've got to remake that one and that will be part of our seconds pile. So that's what I'm going to get first. Obviously, when we make our bags, there are going to be small faults that occur throughout sewing. This is a perfect example. There was a small minor imperfection on the fabric that I just didn't pick up before I started making this pouch. Unfortunately, this does happen. Sometimes it just slips through the cracks and I don't pick it up until it's literally finished. But that is what I have my mystery boxes for. My mystery boxes are a combination of seconds and samples. My samples are what I use to take the photos for the website, and when I get enough of them I put them all into a pile and then I put them into mystery boxes, and you guys can buy mystery boxes at a heavily discounted price. I love doing them, you guys love getting them, they're just the best. finished. Okay, we need to go into Spotlight really quickly, like so quickly, to get machine oil and the Wonder Clips. This is what I think I need. Sorry. Squeeze me.
If you have a VIP card, please scan it now.
Thank you.
Insert cash or select payment type. Use PIN pad to complete transaction. Use PIN pad to complete transaction. Please take your thank you for shopping at Spotlight.
I didn't get the sewing clips.
Will rise higher. The government have.
I didn't get the sewing clips because there is no world I'm spending $30 on those clips. Like, they literally are such bad quality. I'm definitely just gonna wait them out and get them on Amazon and wait for my Amazon order to come through. I just got this sewing machine oil. I only got one because it's $14. Like, Spotlight is so expensive. I might sound a bit like negative about it, but there's just so many cheaper options. They really just like get sales when you're desperate. But anyway, I have to head back to the warehouse really quick because I'm obviously running behind and someone's messaged me to say they're there to pick up an order. So I feel really bad. So I'm going to quickly whiz back to the workshop right now. So I got this little bottle of oil for literally $14 when I can get a litre of machine oil for $17 from the normal place that I get it from. So I don't really like supporting Spotlight because I feel like their prices are so high for what you get. But this was an emergency and I needed to top up the oil in my tray thing for my sewing machine. This is all part of owning an industrial sewing machine. You have to have the oil put in there. It literally is leaking at the moment, so that is another issue I am dealing with. But after putting in this oil, another issue that I was dealing with was fixed. So I was really happy about that. All thumbs up. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4.